Tesla and Elon Musk are used to surprising experts and well-known names in the stock market. A lot of people have learned the hard way that it's not a good idea to bet against Musk. But a lot of experts saw Musk and Tesla's promise early on, and now they are getting paid for it. Now these experts have said that Tesla will become the most valuable company in the whole world, not just the market for electric cars or the auto business. Apple is currently in first place, with a market value of more than $400 billion. In our film, we look at how Tesla can beat the big tech companies. Is it possible for Tesla to become the world's most valuable company? How are they going to do this? How long will it take? In today's film, we'll answer these questions. Analysts and competitors have praised Tesla's financial results, even though the $2.07 trillion electric vehicle market may have been hit by chip shortages and other problems. This comes after the company had some amazing delivery numbers at the end of 2021. At the moment, Apple is the most valuable company in the world. Could a small company like Tesla catch up to the big tech company? In a lot of ways. Still, Tesla and Apple are alike. Tesla is an auto company that focuses on making electric cars and systems that store energy. The way the company works is a lot like how a tech company in Silicon Valley does things. Because of this, a lot of people think Tesla is more of a software company than a hardware business. As you can see from the tech on a regular Tesla, that claim makes sense. Tesla thinks that the next big step in the growth of their cars will be making them fully self-driving. This is also what a lot of experts and researchers think, and they think Tesla will be able to fully master self-driving cars before 2022 ends. These experts think that Tesla's stock price will go through the roof once the company can make a car that drives itself. Several things are needed for artificial intelligence to work. To start, you'll need a lot of data to teach AI models what to do. You need gear that is strong. Then you need powerful tools to run those models and make decisions or draw conclusions to really put the AI to work. In all three of these areas, Tesla is better. The company changed their cars from having one external camera to having 8 external cameras, 12 ultrasonic devices, and radar, which is no longer used. Because of this, the company may collect information about driving. It is now used to receive data by more than 1 million cars on the road that have autopilot. Andrej Karpathy, who is in charge of AI at Tesla, said in 2020 that the company has data on 3 billion miles of real-world driving. After that, some experts think the amount has gone up to more than 5 billion, which is very likely. That was something that Andrej Karpathy said in February 2020. Around the same time that Waymo from Alphabet said they had about 20 million miles, GM workers said they had about 2 million miles. Also, Tesla's chip inside the car was 6 years ahead of anything else on the market. To put it in perspective, the company used NVIDIA computers before making their own. NVIDIA is known for making the best AI software, not hardware. Getting this kind of praise is important. Elon Musk talked about Tesla's D1 chip in 2021. This chip will be the AI engine that powers their Dojo data center supercomputer. During the day. If so, the Dojo could be the most powerful AI teaching machine in the world. It is the only company on the market that has more data, a better impact chip, and a better training chip. Because of this, we think Tesla will be the first company to sell a machine that drives itself. In fact, Elon Musk said in September 2020 that they would have a totally self-driving $25,000 electric car on the market in 3 years. Since then, a year has passed, and Tesla has made many vows that they don't always keep, but I think they will in the end. It's clear that Tesla already has a big lead over their competitors, even though they don't make electric cars yet. They are getting more and more information about self-driving cars every day. As you can see, Tesla has a lot of cars on the road gathering data on self-driving cars. Things get even better when you learn that they have a quantum computer built just to handle this data. As the company tries to claim its title as the most important car company of all time. Based on Tesla's current market share and the number of cars it sold in its 2021 report, a lot of experts think the company could become the most valuable in the world. When Musk joked on Twitter last year that Tesla had a greater than 0% chance of becoming the biggest company, Kalilia Russell shared some of his thoughts on the subject. Tesla is now on track to become the world's biggest business. You're not making this up. I am not joking. Gully said in a video, I really think that's going to happen. There are a few Teslas in every city, but Gully thinks that in a few years there will be a mix of the three Ys and a cheaper type that could be a robotaxi. He also talked about there is a slow ride sharing app that lets you book a clean, green, and environmentally friendly ride anywhere you are, as long as everything goes as planned. You may remember that the business was said to have a deal with the well-known car rental company Hertz last year. Even though the details of the deal between Tesla and Hertz are still not clear, it led to a big rise in Tesla's price. Just think about what will happen when the deal is made public or when Hertz starts renting out Teslas. Just think about how much that would grow. There would be more Teslas on the road. There are probably hire services where a lot of people who have never been in a Tesla before could get a feel for what it's like. How do you get more people to buy Tesla cars? There's no question that Tesla makes cars that are safe and last a long time. A lot of people aren't sure about going electric, though, because they haven't tried it yet. Again, though, the plans that Biden's government has for electric vehicles and the rise in the number of charging stations should lead to more use of Tesla and other electric cars. It's clear that a number of outside factors are ready to raise Tesla's value. It's just a matter of when. You can be sure that Tesla is not taking its foot off the gas when these outside factors are taken into account. Tesla has been working on making more cars, in addition to making its cars better and more affordable. The business already has a lot of sales that it needs to fill. Some cars, like the Cybertruck, already have a long list of people who want to buy them before they even start mass production. This is why Tesla's new gigafactories in Austin and Berlin are so important to its growth, especially in the next 5 years and in 2022. If they haven't already, the new companies should start making things early this year. By the time you watch this movie, Tesla should be able to make more cars each year thanks to the new factories in Austin and Berlin. If you thought the numbers for 2021 were crazy, just wait until you hear the numbers for 2022. People are starting to understand that Tesla could be the biggest company of all time, which is different from a few years ago. As more people learn about Tesla, it's like a snowball effect, and people learn more about it than just Tesla. People will be less likely to sell their Tesla shares once a lot of them think this way. This will cause the stock price of that big company to go up. Based on market value, this will take some time, but Tesla is on track to reach its goal. This could be why Apple wants to get into the market for electric cars. This is all just a guess, but it's not crazy to think that Apple has seen that they are losing the top spot as the world's most valuable company. It's because of this that they're eager to go up against their biggest enemy, Tesla. Though Apple might get into the market for electric cars, it might be too late. There are many reasons to think that Tesla will hit that highest level of value. Assuming nothing bad happens, Ron Barron and Cathie Wood, two experts, have been giving hints about it. A possible second split in less than 20 years, and the split are both hints at it. Now we're also hints at it. What do you think about Tesla becoming the world's most valuable company? Leave a comment below.